believe it's here. Today is the day I'll be unboxing my Jeep Gladiator bedside flares that I got from BC Vintage Jeeps, Delta, Colorado. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe, like the video. Every Wednesday at 7 p.m. I film some Jeep content on my 86 Grand Wagoneer that I'm slowly turning into a wide track beast. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. Let's get into it. Again, these are from a Jeep Gladiator or a Jeep J10 or J20, one of the two. Steel bedside flares. Been looking for these babies for a long time. They need a little work. There's some dents here and there, but dude, they're really solid. They're really solid. This is awesome. Man, these flares are awesome. Oh, you can find them on Facebook, message them directly and tell them exactly what you're looking for. Man, they really pulled through. These are awesome. They're really solid. They need some work. They're not perfect by any means, but really cool. So I originally wanted to go with the steel, but I couldn't find any for the longest time. I've been looking for over a year, and I ordered some fiberglass ones from BJ's that are sitting right here. So to find these, man, I am so thankful. God bless. And thanks again so much to BC Vintage Jeeps. Thank you so much. Make sure you like this video. Stay tuned for this awesome, exciting project. Thanks for watching. Take care. Make sure you stay tuned, like the video, and subscribe. Catch you next time.